Today we're going to be working on page 211 of our Engineering Design and Graphics with SolidWorks 2016 workbook. And we'll be doing 4 parts, P315, P316, 17, and 18. These two, they're pretty simple to create. All you got to do really is just draw the shape and extrude it out this way on the flat face over here. Draw a circle with a diameter of 20 and then do a through all. And then you can just extrude a rectangle that's 18 by 15 and then just extrude that out. So that's pretty simple. This is the same thing. You could just create this shape right here and then extrude it a distance of 15 and then put a couple circles on there and extrude them through, cut extrude them all the way through. And then you can just draw this triangle shape here, which a little 7 millimeter angle here, and then extrude it outwards. So that's pretty simple. This same concept, you can do this, but there's a lot of angles here. So I think I'm going to do this one. This is the most complicated one, P315, and then I'll do P316. I think it's pretty simple, but in the same sense, it's more difficult than these two. These two are the easiest. So I will do these two, and then you can follow along and create them, and then you'll have to create these two on your own. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with P315, and I'm going to increase the view here. That looks good. All right. This is millimeters. All right, let's take a look at that there. There we go. There, that fits nice. Make this way. All right, so what am I going to do here? I think what I'm going to do is where do I want to begin, I guess is the question. It looks like I might want to create this profile on this face over here. So this goes through all. So this would have the same shape across. And then I would have this up. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. I'm going to do front plane, sketch, and I think I'll do a line. Let's start with this corner over here. I'm gonna draw a larger shape, and then I'm gonna cut away pieces. Like I'd cut away this little piece here, do an extrude cut across it. And then do a cut across here. So it's really, there's a lot going on, and I think I just show you just by drawing it what I plan on doing here. So let's go. Line. All right. So I want to go upward, and I want to go over. And I was thinking about making this cut through like that, but I think I'm just going to draw a line. I'm going to make this real boxy to start with. I'll do these angles here. So let's go ahead and smart dimension this. This is up 13 and over 60. So this 13 millimeters. And let's do this over 60 millimeters. Zoom out a little bit. I'm rolling the mouse to zoom out and zoom in. And I'm trying to look. This goes up this way and this goes up this way. And the angle from here to here is 60. And the distance, this looks like it's symmetrical. This is 20, so that's 60. 20, 20, 20. Okay. So this goes right up the side, and that goes right up the side. And that's a 60-degree angle. All right, and it's going to be 20. Okay, so let's do this. Let's align. This is very symmetrical. So we're going to do a couple smart dimensions here. I'm trying to look at what we got. All right, so this is 20. And how tall is this here? This is 18 plus 22, I believe. So that would be 40 to the top. All right, so let's draw a line here. Upward, straight up, over. All right, so let's do this. This will be 20 mm. And then from here to here should be 40 mm. And then our, let's see, it's our 60 is between here and here. So between this and this will be 60 right here. Oh, that's 60. Oh, I was 60 mm. 60 DEG, degrees. All right, so that's 60. All right, so we have a total height. Let's see, do we have any height in here? This is 18, this is 22. So this, that's not correct, us. We're not going to do that yet. I think that's pretty good. So now what we got to do is we can go ahead. Let's draw a center line here because this is symmetrical. Find that middle point. Draw that down. And then let's go ahead and do mirror entities. I want it to be about that line. I want this, this, and this. Okay, it's starting to look good, I think. I'm getting this error here. I don't know why. All I did was mirror the stuff. All right, let's do features, extrude base, and then I want this extruded out 45 millimeters. All right, so here's my shape. I'm taking a look at what I have here from these different angles. So it goes from this point. Let's start with this. So I'm going to look at right side. Yeah. And what's the distance here? This is up 18. 18 to the edge here and over 10 on both sides. So this is 22 downward. So let's start on this side and let's do a sketch. Zoom in, zoom out. I want to get this. And 22 downward and 10 across. All right, so let's smart dimension this. 22 millimeters. And this is 10 millimeters. And what I want to do here is I want to do a feature extrude cut. I want to do through all, oh, in both directions, and then hit OK. All right. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how tall this piece is right here. So this is 105 from straight up. This is at the point, and that goes to there. All right, so let's click on this face, and let's go ahead and sketch a line from this point to that point, and then down to here, and then all the way back, and then up to here. And I want to smart dimension here to here. I want this to be 105. 105 DEG. And I'll go OK. I'm looking, this is the edge here. This looks a little larger than I want. Right, 105 degrees between here and here. So let's go. Oh, I did this backwards. My goodness. All right, edit undo. All right, let's do this over. I messed up this part. All right. Line from here to there, up to here, and over to here. This is where I want to draw this. And once again, I want smart dimension. I want this line to be 105 DEG. All right, so it goes up there again. It looks like it's more of a slope than 105. It looks more like 110, but we're going to use the numbers that they give us, and we'll do features, extrude cut, through all, hit OK, and there we go. So now looks pretty decent. That looks good. Looks pretty good. All right, so we have this cut and this cut. We need to do this cut on both sides. And basically we had the same rectangle that we had before. So let's click on this face and then go on right plane. And then sketch corner rectangle. What happened there? All right, so we'll bring this out here. And we're going to smart dimension this Want this to be 10 millimeters. And we want this to be 22 millimeters. Yeah, 22 and 10. Hit OK. And then we're going to Features, Extrude Cut. Let's take a look at this. We want it to go this way. And hit OK. All right, so it looks like that. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. I can't really see it, but I'm assuming this is symmetrical, so we'll do the other side here. So we got left side. Click on here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Sketch. Corner. Put this in here. And smart dimensioned. Want this to be 10 millimeters. We want this to be 22 millimeters. And then we're going to extrude cut. And we're going to come out. We want it to go the other way, that way. Hit OK. All right. So there you go. So we have this cut. So we have all of this put together. Now all we have to do is do this cut on the front face. And cut through all. Front face, click here. All right, so we have, this is 20. So let's go ahead, sketch. Let's, we're going to draw a line. Here's the center. We want a line that goes like that. We want a line that goes like this at 45 degrees. We want a line that goes like, what's this? I'm going to edit, undo that one. Edit, undo. All right, so I got this. So let's see. 20, 20, 20. All right, smart dimension. This line is 20 millimeters. And from here, zoom in, to there is 20 millimeters. That's all I really need because the rest will be 20 millimeters there. And we need a height of 5. So from, let's draw a line across here. Close that up. And smart dimension. All right, from here to there, 45. That's good. From here to there, 45 degrees. Good. And from here to here is 5 millimeters. All right, so we see the height here is 5 millimeters, and we have 45, and this is 20. So everything else just kind of works itself out. We don't need to know how long this line is because it all works out just right. So now we come across here, we go back to features, extrude cut, through all, we hit OK. All right, let's go ahead and zoom in at a nice angle. All right, so there we go. That is our shape. That's P315. So we come back over here, file, save as, part P315, P3-15, save. Let's make this full size, file, I already did that, file, make drawing from part. Okay. We can look at any of these. This one looks nice. We'll do that one. Size is okay. We'll go like that. Looks good. Then we'll hit a note. Place it in here. Then put your name. Hit save. File save. Okay. File print. OneNote for Windows 10. Hit OK. Handouts. Hit OK. And there you go. There it is. Change this to part P3-15. And then that one's submitted. And now we'll go back. Oops. All right. So now we go back to page 211, and I'm going to zoom this over here. And like I said, this one's pretty simple. I'm just going to start with, this is in inches. I'm going to start with this shape. I'm going to extrude it out, and then I'm going to make these two shapes and extrude them through, and then I'll be done with that. So let's go ahead. File, new part, okay. I'm going to do top plane, sketch, line tools. So I want this to be 0.63 inches by 3.5 by 1.63, and then draw a line to connect the two. All right, so let's go ahead. Save all. All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm gonna put the corner on this side. So let's go ahead. Tools. Options. Document properties. Units. Inches. Okay. Top plane. Sketch. Line. Oh wait, no, I'm going to do right plane. Cancel. Right plane. Exit sketch. Right plane. Sketch. And line tool. And I will do this tool to this tool to this tool. And I will smart dimension. This is 1.63 inches. This is 3.5 inches. And then this last one is 0.63 inches. Smart dimension. Click. 0.63 inches. All right, there we go. And then we draw a line across from here to there. And then we're going to features, Extrude Base. And we want this to be extruded out 2.38 inches. .38 inches. All right, so then we have this made. All right, so now we just got to draw these shapes here. All right, let's flip this over. All right, this is 0.5. It starts in this. starts in this corner here. All right. So sketch, click on the face, draw a line here. That is from here to here, 0.5. And then we have a line from here to here that is 1.75. And then this line goes straight across this way. It's smart to mention this. 0.5 inches. You got this. Hold on a second. Let's get this out of here. Come on, get rid of all this. There we go. 0.5 inches. And then this line here is 1.75 inches. And then we're going to do a line from here to there. And why don't we just go ahead and extrude this all the way through. So we got a height of 2.5. So features, Extrude Base. Let me click on this. Zoom out. Pull this way. Put 2.5 inches. It's 2.5 inches. Hit OK. All right, so we got this shape on that. And then we're just going to cut out this rectangle here on this side. So just click on this face. And let's sketch, rectangle. Let's go ahead and draw a line like this. And then a line like this. A line like this. Smart to mention this stuff. All right, so this is 1 inch. 1 inch. And from this point to that point is 1.25 inches. All right, and then let me go back like this. And that's everything else is fine. So now what we want to do is we want to click off this. Okay, that's good. Draw a line tool. Draw a line from here to there. And then we could just connect these like this. No big deal. And then, I don't know if it's connected. So let's see what we got here. Is features, Extrude Cut. And then we want to go through all. So through all. And let's make sure we're going in the right direction. Yeah, that's good. Click that. And there you go. So there we go. This is part 3-16, and it's done. So let's take a look at the view. We'll get a nice isometric view maybe. Looks good, just like that. All right, file, save as, part P3-16. Go ahead and save. File, make drawing from part. Okay. This full size. We just have isometric view, so we'll just put that in there. This one I might like to make a little bit larger, so let's do use custom ratio. And then that's good. Let's do the note. Put our name on it. We can make this any size we want. File, save. File, print. Windows 10. Hit OK. Put it in our handouts section. There it is. We're going to call this part P3-16. Let's make that capital. All right, so we have that up there. That's all put up. All right, so let's do the view out a little bit. So here we go. This is page 211, and I did parts P3-15, so you can do that one, follow along. P3-16, and then these two you should be able to do by yourself with how we did this up here. These are pretty much a lot easier. Like I said, you can just do this profile and extrude it through, put a hole through it, and then extrude boss base this little piece out like that. Same thing, you can create this shape, put those holes in it, cut them through, and then draw this shape on top of it, and then extrude it this way, and then you're done. So have fun and enjoy.